Over the next few months, the Guam Preservation Trust hopes to complete its mission in bringing the glory back to the historic Guam Congress Building in Hagåtña. Chief Program Officer Joe Kanata.
It is one of our mission, one of our biggest mission is to rehabilitate this structure itself, because it holds the starting of our government, our local government. And we feel very strongly about assisting the Guam legislature in rehabilitating this building.
And while it's been in the works for years, construction only started last year, but is already more than halfway complete.
We have completed all the structural elements of the building, and so now in due time we will be starting on the finishing.
The finishings include work on the electrical, flooring, and the windows. The first floor of the building will house the Speaker's office, the session hall, the public hearing room, and central offices, which will be situated in a new extended wing of the building. Also new is the second floor, which will house offices for some senators, along with conference rooms. Kanata says what makes this project special is it will be retrofitted with innovative and emerging green building technologies.
It gives us sort of the opportunity to use an existing building and retrofitting this existing building. And so what that did was made us eligible for LEED.
Kanata says the leadership in energy and environmental design will actually be platinum, which is the highest level of LEED status and possibly the first for a building on Guam. He adds the building will also contain solar panels to offset power costs. In the meantime, construction is on schedule as the trust has already overcome challenges early on in the project with addressing soil concerns.
I think the museum, compared to the museum, their challenge really was the same, basically the same thing that we tried to avoid, and that's the soil, the land itself. Whether the land that the museum is going to sit in is comparable to what the structural folks say, and that was mainly the delay. In our respect, the overburden, which is really the part that would study the soil, it only took a few weeks rather than a whole year.
Like the museum.
Right.
Kanata says while the contract for the project ends on August 15th, he expects they could be finished before then. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintanilla.